Hello and welcome. In today's video we're going to talk about users in AccuCampus. There are mainly two ways to add users to AccuCampus. You can either use a manual method by typing the student information directly into AccuCampus, or you can import the student information from your SIS or Student Information System into AccuCampus. In order to add a user into AccuCampus, you have to locate the module by clicking General, Users. The buttons to the top are Create New to create a new user, Request Password Change. This allows you to request a password change for a user. Send Message is to use the built-in messaging system for AccuCampus. User Groups allows you to create a user group for reporting. Staff registered to all courses. This allows you to quickly assign staff that are available in all courses. You can also filter by a specific role by selecting from this list. If you select administrators, you will only show administrators, or if you select staff members, it'll only show staff members. Search filter, the magnifying glass in the top right corner. This filters the current view of the users on the screen to only show the users that match the typed search criteria. Now, on the right of each one of the users, you are going to see a list of options. The first is the delete button. This option allows you to delete this user. A confirmation message will show to make sure that you are not deleting by accident. By clicking the More Actions button, you will see a list of options. Check out media. This option lets you view and check out media for users. Manage Group. This option allows you to view and assign the user to a user group. Print Badge. This option allows you to print the event badge you have designed for just this user. Print Certificate. This option allows you to print the event certificate you have designed for just this user. Print QR label. This option allows you to quickly print the card number of the user for tracking attendance purposes. Request password change. This option allows you to request a reset of that user password. Send message. This option allows you to send a message to the user. It can be an on-screen notification, an email message, or a text message. Session registration. This option allows you to view and edit this user session registration for an event. Student enrollment. This option allows you to view and edit this user's course enrollment. User profile. This option allows you to view and edit this user profile information. View Action Plan. This option allows you to check this user's action plan. View Center Attendance. This option allows you to view and edit this user's center attendance. View User's Activity. This enables administrators to see the audit trail of the user. So now let's create a new user. In this section, we can create any type of user we want in AccuCampus. In order to create a new user, just click Create New, and a new form is going to show so you can type in all the information. Tags. This button allows you to create a tag that can be used in some notifications, rules, action plans, and more. General information. First name is a text box that's required. Middle initial is optional. Last name is required. Email is required. Card number is optional but recommended if allowing students to scan into the center. Password is optional, is only required if the users will be logging into AccuCampus to work or to schedule appointments. Repeat is optional. This is only required If you entered a password, repeat the password to verify that it is correct. Photo upload is optional, but this will allow others to see an image of the user in AccuCampus. The active checkbox is used to set the user active or not in the system. Postal address. Right here, you are going to type the street address, the city, the state, and the zip code. Phone number. Please input the mobile, home, and work phone numbers. Security. Right here, we're going to choose what roles are going to be assigned to that user. Scope. This is to restrict a user to a certain location in AccuCampus. Please make sure to click the Save button when you're done. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Bye.